In its place comes pure, reckless fury. She uses her massive, wedge-shaped head as a battering ram, targeting the cheetah's fragile ribs. Dust billows as the warthog drives forward with the full weight of her muscular shoulders. She does not let up, leveraging her low center of gravity to keep the cub off balance. With grim determination, she drags the cub across the ground, pulling it through the dust as it struggles in vain. The cub tries to break away, scrambling desperately, but panic has already slowed it. Once she has hold, she refuses to let go. What moments ago had been a frantic, twisting fight is reduced to a heavy, lifeless weight clamped in the mother's jaws. For one brief moment, she has done the impossible. A prey animal has turned on a predator and won, but the savannah is not finished yet. Across the plain, another mother has heard the sounds of distress. The cheetah launches at the warthog the moment it tries to flee. With claws gripping and jaws snapping, the predator tries to land a killing bite while the warthog thrashes desperately beneath it. Two mothers meeting at the raw edge of loss. Here, motherhood is not gentle. It is fierce, unyielding, and willing to stand in the path of death. They are enemies, but they are also mirrors of one another. Neither mother is fighting for victory alone, but for what has already been taken from her. As the struggle drags on, both animals begin to show the cost of the encounter, each one wounded, exhausted, and driven on only by survival. The struggle has devolved from a calculated hunt into a chaotic and brutal contest of pure physical attrition. Now the battle enters its harshest phase, where uncertainty begins to fall away. Both of them are pushed to their limits, and the moment of reckoning is no longer far off. The struggle hardens into something decisive, where the wild begins to reveal its choice. She fought not for victory but for vengeance and for duty. Against the full-grown cheetah, her chances are slim. Still she stands, still she fights, refusing to yield even as exhaustion and injury take their toll. In one final mistake, the warthog loses its footing for just a moment. And that single slip is all the cheetah needs. The predator lunges instantly, fast and precise, locking its jaws around the warthog's neck. On the savannah, death is never far away, but neither is devotion, and perhaps that is the deepest wisdom, that even in a world ruled by hunger, love still stands and fights.